Good morning, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about WhatsApp rumored to introduce privacy feature for iOS, Apple plans wider release of Vision Pro headset and Google AI Gemini. Meta Platforms explores AI powered earphones and wearable devices. OpenAI launches GPT-4o for enhanced human-computer interaction. Tata Play partners with Amazon Prime to enhance content access. UAE releases Falcon 2, open-source Gen AI model to compete globally. Nothing expands ChatGPT integration to audio devices and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice to stay up to date on all the latest tech news. WhatsApp is reportedly developing a privacy feature to prevent users from taking screenshots of profile pictures on iOS devices. The aim is to enhance privacy by restricting unauthorized dissemination of profile photos without explicit consent. Additionally, WhatsApp is testing a feature called Filter on Android platforms to facilitate quick complication of preferred contacts and groups for seamless communication. Compilation of preferred contacts and groups for seamless communication. Apple is gearing up to launch its Vision Pro headset in more countries with speculation of an announcement at the upcoming WWDC 2024 conference. Store employees from various countries are being trained in Cupertino, California, indicating a potential expansion beyond the initial launch countries. Apple is also preparing to unveil Google AI Gemini, an AI assistant with cameras in wireless earbuds, expanding its portfolio of wearable gadgets. Meta Platform is exploring the development of AI powered earphones with cameras, known as Camera Buds, alongside its smart glass venture. The company's Ray-Ban smart glasses, designed for video recording and photo capture, operate on augmented reality technology. Meta plans to integrate AI assistants into wearable devices, potentially introducing features like image analysis and translation assistance. OpenAI introduces GPT-4o, an upgraded AI model designed for improved text, vision, and audio processing. The model features an enhanced desktop application with new features such as document uploading and memory for conversation continuity. GPT-4o offers better performance and cost effectiveness, aiming to facilitate more natural human computer interaction experiences. Tata Play collaborates with Amazon Prime to offer Prime Lite subscriptions, providing access to Prime Video's content library and shipping benefits. The partnership aimed to offer value added services to Tata Play customers, enhancing their entertainment and shopping experience. This collaboration expands Amazon Prime's reach in India through Tata Play's content distribution network. The UAE launches Falcon 2, an open source Gen AI model comprising Falcon 2 11B for text and Falcon 2 11B VLM for image descriptions. The initiative reflects the UAE's investment in artificial intelligence to position itself as a major player in the global AI landscape. Falcon 2 underscores the UAE's efforts to develop proprietary technology amid international scrutiny over technology partnership. Nothing expands ChatGPT features to older products including Ear 1, Ear Stick, Ear 2, CMF Buds, CMF Neckband Pro, and CMF Buds Pro. Users can engage with ChatGPT through a pinch to speak function directly from their Nothing audio devices paired exclusively with Nothing phones. This integration aims to merge advanced AI capabilities with everyday tech products, enhancing user experience and functionality. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for all the latest tech news.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं विघ्नेश, आपका दोस्त और गाइड इन द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड। आज से हम शुरू कर रहे हैं एक नई सीरीज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस। हर एक दिन एक नया लेटर, उसके साथ नए टूल्स। अब ए फॉर एप्पल नहीं, ए फॉर एडोबी या AWS है। दोनों ही पावर हाउस टूल्स हैं ऑनलाइन बिजनेस बनाने के लिए। अडोबी के साथ क्रिएटिव कंटेंट क्रिएट करें और AWS यानी Amazon वेब सर्विसेज के साथ पावरफुल वेब होस्टिंग और कंप्यूटिंग पावर का फायदा उठाएं। अडोबी की क्रिएटिव क्लाउड में आपको मिलते हैं सारे क्रिएटिव टूल्स एक ही जगह, इन डिजाइन, प्रीमियर प्रो, फोटोशॉप, इलस्ट्रेटर, जो आपके बिजनेस को स्टैंड आउट कराते हैं। आपके बिजनेस को क्रिएटिव के साथ स्केलेबल और रिलायबल बनाना भी बहुत जरूरी है। यहाँ आता है AWS। AWS देता है आपको वेब होस्टिंग, क्लाउड स्टोरेज और कंप्यूटिंग पावर। तो दोस्तों, अडोबी और AWS ये टूल्स आपकी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस जर्नी को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं कल अल्फाबेट B के साथ।